Hello, today we will guide you through how to align text in CapCut PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be on the main screen where you can begin a new editing session. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. This process is very simple and only takes a moment. Next, click on Create a Project. This opens a fresh workspace where you can start adding and editing content. Using a new project is helpful here because it gives you a clean area to work in, making it easier to focus specifically on your text settings without distractions. After the project opens, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Text. This section is where CapCut gives you access to all of its text tools, including adding basic text and adjusting how it appears in your video. If you don't see the options right away, just make sure you're in the main editing workspace. Once you're in the text section, enter sample text. This can be any short phrase or sentence you want to use as a placeholder while learning the alignment feature. Adding sample text first is important because the alignment controls only become useful once there is text available to edit. You can always replace the wording later with your final text. With your text added, move over to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where CapCut shows the settings for the selected text element. Scroll down through the available options until you find alignment. In this section, choose the alignment you want to apply to your text. For example, you may see options that place the text to the left, center it, or align it to the right. Select the one that best fits the look you want for your video. As you click through the alignment options, watch the preview area so you can immediately see how the text changes. This is a useful way to compare styles and decide which alignment works best for your layout. Center alignment is often a good choice for titles, while left or right alignment can work better for subtitles, captions, or more stylized text placement. And that's all it takes to align text in CapCut PC. Once you've chosen the alignment you want, you can continue customizing the text further if needed. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to format text more cleanly and professionally in your CapCut projects.